Imagine standing at the heart of an automotive factory, the air buzzing with the promise of innovation. On one side, sleek German machines whir with mechanical precision, their metallic forms a testament to decades of engineering mastery. On the other, an intricate dance of robots and humans unfolds in a Japanese facility, where efficiency and harmony reign supreme. The rivalry between Germany and Japan in the world of automobiles is more than a competition. It's a story of two philosophies, two traditions, and two visions of the future of driving. Which nation leads the automotive world? The relentless perfectionism of Germany or the disciplined ingenuity of Japan? To unravel this question, we need to journey into the heart of their most iconic brands. Picture Volkswagen and BMW, symbols of German prowess, standing shoulder to shoulder with Toyota and Honda, the champions of the Japanese approach. Each brand represents more than just cars. They embody national identities, engineering cultures, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. German automotive engineering is legendary for its meticulous attention to detail and pursuit of perfection. The roots of this philosophy can be traced back to the early 20th century, when German automakers first set out to build vehicles that combined power, luxury, and safety. Today, this ethos is alive and well in the sprawling factories of Volkswagen and BMW. At a Volkswagen plant, the production line is a symphony of precision. Every component, from the chassis frame to the smallest sensor, is engineered to exacting standards. The process begins with rigorous design phases, where teams of engineers obsess over every curve and joint, running simulations and prototypes until the optimal design emerges. Once the blueprint is set, the factory floor comes to life. Here, automation and human craftsmanship are seamlessly integrated. Robots handle the repetitive, high-precision tasks, welding, painting, assembling, while skilled technicians oversee quality control, making adjustments that only a trained human eye can catch. The final stages are marked by exhaustive testing, both by machines and by expert drivers, to ensure every vehicle meets strict safety and performance benchmarks. For German automakers, the car isn't just a machine, it's the result of a relentless quest for technical superiority. BMW takes this philosophy even further, with a focus on driving pleasure and dynamic performance. They call it the ultimate driving machine for a reason. From the first sketches to the final assembly, BMW engineers obsess over balance, weight distribution, and the tactile feel of the road. In BMW factories, lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber are commonplace, reducing weight while increasing strength. Engine assembly is almost an art form, with each motor tested and tuned to perfection before it ever meets the road. The result is a vehicle that doesn't just transport you, it connects you to the very essence of driving. Now, let's cross continents and step inside a Japanese car factory. The heartbeat of Japanese automotive philosophy is different, shaped by unique cultural values and a relentless drive for efficiency. The concept of Kaizen, or continuous improvement, permeates every aspect of production. At Toyota, the world's largest automaker, this approach is legendary. Toyota's production lines are renowned for their flexibility and teamwork. Unlike the rigid hierarchies of the past, every worker on the line is empowered to stop the process if they spot a defect, a practice known as the and-in cord. This culture of shared responsibility ensures that problems are identified and corrected early, preventing defects from ever reaching the customer. The production system, often called the Toyota Production System or lean manufacturing, is a model of efficiency. Waste is relentlessly eliminated, whether it's excess movement, unused materials, or unnecessary steps. The focus is not just on the product, but on the process itself. Every day, every worker is encouraged to suggest improvements, no matter how small. Over time, these incremental changes add up to dramatic gains in quality and productivity. Honda, another pillar of Japanese automotive excellence, brings its own flavor to the mix. Known for their pioneering spirit and technological innovation, Honda's factories are laboratories of experimentation. From the legendary VTEC engines to the development of hybrid and electric vehicles, Honda engineers embrace challenge and adaptability. Their manufacturing lines are highly flexible, able to switch between different models with minimal downtime. This agility allows Honda to respond quickly to changing market demands and new technological breakthroughs. When you compare the two approaches, striking differences emerge, not just in process, but in mindset. German factories are temples of order, where precision is king and every deviation is a problem to be solved. Japanese plants are living organisms, constantly adapting and learning, where mistakes are opportunities for growth. Germans value technical mastery and the flawless execution of complex designs. The Japanese prize efficiency, reliability, and the collective wisdom of their workforce. These philosophies are reflected in the cars themselves. Climb into a Volkswagen Passat or a BMW 3 Series, and you'll notice the attention to tactile detail, the solid thunk of the door, the perfectly weighted controls, the silent composure at high speed. German cars are engineered for the Autobahn, for high-speed travel, for the driver who demands the best in performance and safety. The technology under the hood is cutting-edge, from advanced turbocharging systems to intricate all-wheel drive mechanisms. In contrast, step into a Toyota Camry or a Honda Accord, and you'll experience the fruits of Japanese discipline and innovation. The controls are intuitive, the ride is smooth, and every system is optimized for reliability and efficiency. These cars are built to last, with engines that can run for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. Fuel economy is prioritized, and hybrid technology is commonplace, a testament to Japan's early commitment to sustainable mobility. This competition extends beyond the factory floor, shaping the future of the automotive industry itself. German automakers have long been at the forefront of luxury and performance, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with internal combustion engines. Their recent investments in electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies signal a new era of innovation, as brands like Volkswagen race to create the next generation of mobility. Meanwhile, Japanese companies continue to set the standard for mass-market reliability and environmental responsibility. Toyota's leadership in hybrid technology and Honda's commitment to alternative fuels and electrification have reshaped the global conversation about what cars can and should be. Their focus on continuous improvement and collective problem-solving gives them an edge in adapting to new challenges, from regulatory changes to shifting consumer preferences. But which approach is better? The answer, perhaps, depends on what you value most in a car. If you crave high-speed thrills, precision engineering, and the feel of a machine built to perfection, German cars might be your choice. If you prioritize durability, efficiency, and peace of mind, the Japanese philosophy may resonate more deeply. Yet, the lines are beginning to blur. German automakers are embracing lean manufacturing and Kaizen principles to boost efficiency and quality. Japanese firms are investing in new luxury models and advanced driving technologies to compete in premium segments. The best of both worlds is emerging, as each side learns from the other and adapts to a rapidly changing industry. As we look to the future, the rivalry between Germany and Japan will continue to shape the cars we drive and the roads we travel. Electric vehicles, autonomous systems, and sustainable manufacturing are the new frontiers, and both nations are racing to lead the way. In the end, the true winners are the drivers, beneficiaries of decades of innovation, competition, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. So, next time you sit behind the wheel, remember the story behind your car. Whether it's the product of German precision or Japanese discipline, it represents more than just transportation. It's the embodiment of a national spirit, a legacy of innovation, and a promise of what's yet to come. If you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of automotive giants, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the stories that shape our world. Stay curious and keep exploring.